Hi, welcome to Cafe de Lorna's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I bake my short ribs, and these are all the ingredients that we have in here. First, my 2 pounds of short ribs marinated with salt and pepper and some olive oil, and then we are going to use 2 cans of creamy mushroom soup. And we're gonna also gonna use 2 cups of chopped mushrooms, and then smashed garlic with skin, and last we are going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And let's start. So the first thing we're gonna do is to sear our spare ribs. So let's just turn on to high heat our stove. So while we are searing our spare ribs, my oven was been preheating for 400 degrees, and then we are going to bake it for about an hour. And let you know guys, the next process after I'm searing the spare ribs. So now we're gonna put our olive oil. It's because I was been marinating our spare ribs. I'm not gonna put a ton of olive oil, just very little. So now our olive oil is hot. We're gonna start putting our spare ribs. Okay. Just want our spare turn light brown, and then transfer them in a baking dish. This is what I'm looking for, the light brown. Okay, let's just turn down stove because we're going to move some oil. Okay. And also guys, I just want to let you know guys that I'm not gonna use salt and pepper because I was already marinated our beef. So now let's just start putting our garlic, smashed garlic. After I reduce our cooking oil. So now we're gonna add our chopped mushrooms. The reason why I'm not using salt and pepper because, as I said, our meat was already marinated with salt and pepper, and then our cream of mushroom soup was kind of already salty, so we don't need more of salt to add. Alright? So now we're gonna add our cream of mushroom soup. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water. Alright, we're just rinsing it off. Okay, our oven is ready, and this is almost done. And then I'm going to transfer it in our baking dish. and ready to pop in. Okay, this is how easy, quick. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Just okay, just like make sure it's all coated in our cream of mushroom soup. And then while we're making this, I'm going to make a plain rice and some veggies on the side. Alright. Here you go, guys. Make sure it's like our meat will kind of like coated. Alright? So here you go. It's ready to pop in the oven, and then we're going to bake it for about like an hour, and then I let you know, guys, when it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.